So, what if I told you that the key to a six-figure income before 2026 isn't some new degree, but really just mastering 11 AI tools that most people haven't even heard of yet? Our team has tested hundreds of these things, and today we're going to reveal the hidden gems that can put you miles, and I mean miles, ahead of the competition.
Okay, let's just dive right into this quote from a global AI leader. Let that sink in for a second. See, it's not about robot overlords coming for us. No, it's about a massive shift in the skills that actually matter. The race has already started, and mastering these new tools, well, it's no longer optional. It's absolutely essential for survival and, for success.
So how do you prepare for this new AI reality, right? How do you become the person using the AI and not the one being replaced by it? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down in this explainer. Think of this as your roadmap.
We've structured this into 3 really powerful toolkits. They're designed to help you create, automate, and advise your way straight to the top. We've got a lot of ground to cover, so let's just jump right in.
First up, let's talk about how you can use AI to create some truly jaw-dropping content from literally thin air. This is like your personal AI-powered art studio, ready to bring your wildest ideas to life.
The one tool that has absolutely broken the internet is Sora. And we're not just talking about, funny clips of historical figures here. Imagine generating a cinematic commercial for a brand new sneaker, or a beautiful short film for a festival, or even a stunning music video for an indie artist, all from a single line of text. It's pretty incredible.
But here's the big question for a lot of us. Sora isn't globally available yet. So what are some of the ways people in restricted regions are getting their hands on it and, getting that head start?
Now, what's really interesting here is this simple 3-step workaround our team found. First, you'll need a VPN. Then, you'll need a specific site for an invite code. And finally, you're going to need a little bit of patience. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Trust me, even I was able to do it.
So, the crucial point is, how do you make money with this? Well, you could launch a freelance business creating these hyper-realistic video ads for, say, local real estate agents. Or you could start a YouTube channel creating history reimagined shorts that are designed to go viral. Think about creating entire packages of themed stock footage, like futuristic cityscapes, and then selling them on a platform like Gumroad. The possibilities are huge.
And listen, Sora is just the start. Your creative suite also has something called Rewind.ai, where you can generate the perfect logo for your new business completely free. Then there's Fish.audio. You could use it to create a voiceover for your videos in multiple languages using your own voice. And finally, SlidesAI.ai, which can turn a boring old text document into a VC-ready pitch deck in under 60 seconds.
Okay, so now that you know how to create amazing content, let's talk about how you can automate the entire business behind it. It's time to build what we're calling your AI efficiency engine.
This quote from Sam Altman, just let it really sink in. This isn't a threat, it's a blueprint for what to automate. The future belongs to those who work smarter, not harder, by letting AI handle all that soul-crushing grind.
Okay, meet N8N. Think of it as your personal automation army. For example, you could use N8N to build a workflow that automatically scrapes new leads from a website, enriches their data, adds them to your CRM, and then assigns them to a sales rep, all while you sleep. I mean, this is literally how one person does the work of 5.
The monetization opportunities here are insane. You could create a whole consulting business helping e-commerce stores automate their inventory and customer support. Or you could even build and sell a niche SaaS product that uses N8N on the back end to automate a very specific task for an entire industry, like appointment scheduling for dentists.
And to round out this engine, you can use Rewind to create a perfect video training manual for new employees just by doing a task one time. You can use Google AI Studio to build a custom chatbot for your website that handles 80% of the inquiries. And you could use wit.ai/Stadilio to take a 1-hour webinar and instantly chop it into 10 viral social media clips with perfect subtitles. It's that powerful.
All right, so you can now create world-class content and you can automate your business. Let's talk about the final piece of the puzzle, becoming the go-to expert that people will pay top dollar for.
LM Arena is your secret weapon. Seriously, when a client asks you, what's the absolute best AI model for writing complex legal clauses? Or which model is best for generating Python code for data analysis? This is where you find the definitive, battle-tested answer that makes you look like a genius.
And this is a great illustration of how it works. You give it one prompt, and 2 AIs go head-to-head. It's like a cage match for AI models. You get to be the judge, and in the process,
You build this real, hands-on expertise that you just can't get from reading articles.
And this kind of expertise is something businesses will pay a premium for. You could create a consulting business that helps financial startups choose the right AI models for fraud detection. Or you could start a YouTube channel that becomes like the Consumer Reports of AI, attracting huge views and sponsorships for your model comparisons.
Wow, we've covered a lot of ground. So what's the bottom line? After looking at all these powerful tools, what is the one crucial thing you should take away from all this?
So, the most crucial point to take away is this powerful three-step framework. First, you create. Then, you automate. And finally, you advise. See, this isn't just a list of tools. It's a strategy for building a future-proof career. So what are you waiting for? Start mastering these tools today and go build the future you want.
The tools are here, the opportunity is absolutely real, and the playing field is wide open. A few years from now, people will either be masters of these tools, or they'll be wishing they had started today. The future is in your hands. The only question left is, what will you build with it?